Hello, Tanmay here. Today I'm going to tell you that how you can use social media platforms YouTube, Instagram and Facebook to their full extent. If you are if you are giving services, if you are having any products, or if you are doing business, then how you can create content and sell and collect leads, more and more leads, without spending any money on advertising, for free, by using these social media platforms. So what you have to do is just create video content, lots of video content, and you have to put your video content on these social media platforms. How? Let's get started. How you are going to do that? You have to explain your product, service, or whatever business you are doing, the way you are doing. You have to explain how you do that business. You have to explain how you work for that business. How you have to explain what is your product. Everything you have to explain. There's a system. Let me show you one demo. We Allianza Digital, we are a digital marketing agency. So today I'm going to give you a demo that how we do our research. Let's say we have a project of a restaurant. So what we are going to do, our first part for marketing, to market the restaurants, we have to analyze and we have to do a research, lots of research, that who is our audience and who are our prospects. For that, we have our first thing is that we have to identify who are our ideal customer profile. So what is ideal customer profile? Ideal customer profile, that means we need to understand that for whom we are going to show the ads. To build the ideal customer profile, first part is belief system. So we have to understand what are their beliefs, what are the beliefs of our clients, what are they saying, what are, the prospect is directly, we don't want to attack our prospects direct beliefs. If they have certain beliefs around certain product, if they have certain beliefs around foods or restaurant, then we don't want to hurt through advertising. So we have to understand what are their beliefs. Next part is desires. So as a humans, people have desires. So we have to understand what actual desires of our audience, our prospects have. So when it comes to prospect desires, it's often helpful that we think when we know what actual desires prospect have, it's easy for us to make an ad copy, and we know that what ad should we show to our prospects. Next part is emotions. So our goal is to just figure out what the prospect are feeling right now, what are their emotions, so we can show them the correct ad copy. Next part, okay, so how we are going to actually analyze that these desires, beliefs and their emotions, how we are going to analyze? We have to answer few questions. So questions are like that: what are they seeing, what our audience is seeing from experts, from friends, from family, from co-workers, on popular websites, social media platforms, television, movies, podcast, anywhere. What are they seeing, what are they actually seeing? So we need to understand these questions. We have to answer these questions, and we will answer these questions and we'll get what our prospects are seeing. Next part is what are they hearing from experts, professionals and vendors, from family, from their friends, from their co-workers, about the solution available. Are these solution available, working or not working? Next part is what are they seeing, what they themselves saying about the restaurant, about the food, everything. What are their problem situations, so about their fears, desires, about the likelihood of success or failures, about the future, everything, what they personally saying about these things. We have to analyze these as well. So there's more. So how are they feeling? This is also important, that about what they are hearing from experts, professional, co-workers, friends, everything from TV ads, social media platforms, podcasts, about their fears, desires, emotion. How are they feeling about their desires, how are they feeling about their emotions? We have to take action according to that. So we must know how are they feeling. Next is how are they behaving, how are they doing right now to address that problem, what kind of problem they have, and how are they behaving to that problem, how are they behaving to the solution they available. Are these solution working or not working? We have to understand these things as well. So this is how we do our research. Once we get our ideal customer profile, then we are ready to advertise. There is more part in research, but I was just giving you a demo. So this is how, if you're running a service, if you're having a business, if you are having a product, you have to make an in-depth video that how you work, what is your product. You have to just explain about your business and make a video, make a 5 to 7 minute video explaining about your in-depth video explaining about your product service, and just upload these videos to these social media platforms which are free for you. But making random videos and random content and uploading random content, random videos are not going to help you get leads. So I have created a course, 3-day course, in which I have explained everything from A to Z, which is going to help your startup to grow without spending any money on advertising. The link is in the bio. If you want to buy the course, then just grab it. It's a 3-day course. It's going to help you to create content and upload videos and scale without spending money on advertising. Thank you.